How to make a huddle on Slack on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to do so with your team in just a few steps. First, open the Slack app on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on the Huddle option. Let me show you. At this point, click on Start a Huddle on the screen. In the next step, select or search the person you want to do so with. From there, select Start Huddle. At this stage, click on the camera icon to turn your video on or off. Following this, if you want to share your screen during the call, click on the Share Screen icon and select the window or screen you want to share. Once done, to end the call, click on the red phone icon at the bottom of the call window. And that's it. If this guide helped you do a huddle on Slack, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.